Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. My name is Alexis and this is CAFYIR. It is a very stressful time for all of us. So today I will teach you about a few different ways to relieve stress. But first, we need to understand what stress is and the things that stress can cause. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. What is stress? Well, stress is a normal bodily reaction to changes in your environment. When changes occur, like moving to a new place or adjusting to a new environment, your body will naturally react physically, emotionally, and mentally. That's stress. Now, you may be asking yourself, why is stress so bad? It's actually not. An average amount of stress is healthy, but too much stress is not good and may cause some problems. Signs that you may be experiencing too much stress include headaches, problems sleeping, changes in your appetite, or exhaustion. If you're experiencing some of the signs of too much stress, there are ways you can cope with or manage your stress levels, like keeping a positive attitude, talking to your friends and family, and getting plenty of sleep. In addition to just managing your stress, there are also a variety of different ways that you can reduce it. Today, I will tell you about 5 different ways to reduce stress. Number 1, exercise. Exercise not only helps you clear your mind and improve your mood, but exercise also increases the amount of feel-good neurotransmitters, also known as endorphins, that your brain produces. So, next time you're feeling stressed, try playing a game of soccer or basketball. Number 2, art. Research has shown that different types of art, like drawing or painting, simulate parts of the brain that are responsible for happiness and reward. So, if you're feeling a little stressed, try scribbling, sketching, coloring, or painting. Number 3, yoga. Yoga is a mind and body practice that combines physical movement, intentional breathing, and meditation. Yoga helps both your mind and body relax, which results in a relief in stress. So, if you're ever feeling stressed, try just a few minutes of beginner yoga. Number 4, walking. Now, this may seem a little crazy, but when you take a walk, your brain enters a calm state of mind and begins producing stress-busting transmitters or endorphins. Next time you're feeling stressed, take a walk. Even better if it's outside. And finally, number 5, listen to music. Listening to music can work to relax our minds and bodies, reducing the presence of stress hormones. It also helps us better understand and explore our emotions. So, you can incorporate music into your daily life by listening when you're in the car or walking your dog to help reduce stress. And just like that, there are 5 easy things that you can do to relieve stress. Try them out with a parent or guardian and let us know how you feel using the hashtag CAFYIR on all social media. You can also tune into our new blog post on Wednesday at www.cafyir.org for a fun activity to go along with this video. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and learned something new. Always remember to make time to take care of yourself, especially during these unprecedented times. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!